Today we're going to share a bit on one of our latest IoT products, which is the WeCare smartwatch, and introduce its functions as well as the software connected to it. So let's start. The first thing that we're going to show you is the user interface, which is fairly easy to navigate. As you can see, it comes with an SOS button, built-in heart monitoring system, and pedometer, which counts the steps that you take every single day. Over here. And GPS, among other things, which makes WeCare best suited for on-site workers such as construction and oil rigs. On top of this, the watch is linked to a software which you'll see on our right. It records all the information we mentioned, including attendance, allowing employers to monitor the whereabouts and safety of their employees. Now here is the dashboard. From here, we can see that there is a lot of projects going on, a lot of users on duty, and you can see from here the SOS button that will come in whenever someone presses the SOS button, or either the fall detection. If it detects someone who is falling or fell, the system will detect, and then it will send a request to the server, and it will be displayed here in the SOS panel. Now here there is an alert panel which will give if there is something wrong with the employee's watch, or either the person is out of bounds. And then you can see over here on the right side of the screen, you can see that there is a heart rate monitoring system, which from the watch, it will send all the data that you need. It will send over to the network, and it will be displayed here for the administrator to see, as well as the health status and either the person is present or absent for work. The map here, you can see a lot of projects going on, and if we open each and every single one, you will see that the worker's ID, either it is online or offline. And you can even see the device ID, which is integrated inside the database, which will be placed into a certain group, which you can put inside from the group panel. From the group panel, you can see that all the projects that are going on, their location, the number of users, the number of floor, the size of the area, and also the group manager, which you can see here, which is either the admin 003. You can add a new group, the group ID, which you can put either anything that you want as the code name, but it should be standardized. And the group name, you can either put the project X, and you can put in either a group photo of the people involved, or even the site. You can choose the admin. You can even put the start date of the project, and later on you will see that we can also put we can also indicate the finish date of the project. Now let's go over to the user. The user, you can see here that there is a number of IDs, the name of the worker, the group ID, if he or she belongs in a group, you can see that the group ID, and the group name, the level, the zone name, location, longitude, latitude, and altitude, which will indicate the floor, what floor he is assigned on, and the heart rate, which you can see here. And the system will also try to calculate either you are unhealthy or okay. For the report, we can get the type of report. Let's go over one by one of the type. The heart rate, which will give a report on the heart rate, the steps, location, SOS, and alert. Let's for example, let's just go over for the heart rate, and the user, let's just pick one user, which we will put in either worker 16, the start date depending on the project date, and the end date. And you can see here it is downloading a CSV file which you can be opened by using Excel. And from here we can see all the heart rate from here, from the start until the end, the one that we specified over here. Okay, now let's go over to the alert panel, which you can see here that there is an SOS panel, an alert, and an alert panel. From the SOS panel, if the button on the watch is pressed for the SOS, the watch itself will send the data over to the network and go into the system, which will record this. It will be shown here for the admin view. And also for the alert, if the user battery is either low, or the level of battery is critical, or whether he is out of bounds, it will send an alert to the admin. For this system, employers can monitor and receive real-time notifications by either desktop, laptops, or even mobile application while on the go. Let's go over to the settings, which we can see the user profile, the admin who is logged into the system to view everything, which you can see here the name of the admin, basically all the information about the admin can be seen here. And from here you can see the attached groups which the admin is attached with, and there is an edit button here which you can change all the information depending on the necessity. And if you don't have the password, you will not be logged in to edit. And here is the logout. That is it for today, folks. If you have any further questions on our WeCare smartwatch, you can drop us a line or contact us in the links below. And don't forget to subscribe to our social media pages and hashtag Technovate Your Lives with MDT.